Siyambingelela abukeli beZulu TV, siyambingelela umbingelelayo uDumisani Mkhize, usihlalo wentsha phansi kwelembe iNakathu Nazareth Baptist Church eFoshembe. Simeme abantwana bamaNazaretha nabantwana nje abangewona amaNazaretha ukuthi bazoba ingxenye ye-Business and Career Expo esibahlelele yona iminyaka ka-2026. Njengamanje wonke ama-institution esiwacelile ukuthi abe la kwaDumuza, sizomemile ukuthi afike azolekelela abantwana indlela ekufanele baphile ngayo nekusasa labo ukuthi from kusuka manje esikoleni yini ekufanele ukuthi bayilindele nasemavasithi baziphathe kanjani. Ilokho nje esihlangene nakho. Siyabonga Zulu TV.
So we are all from Asanda Silver City. Asanda Silver City is a led organization. These are our students in our online applications to provide the support, the mentorship, and our community development. The organization with our applications, sikwazi ukuthi sibavakashele ey'koleni nakuma-community halls njengoba sifikile namhlanje. So i-mission ye-Asanda Silver City is to assist ama-learners, ama-students and community members in assessing higher education opportunities by providing support with university and college application, the registration process, career guidance and bursary information. The organization also seeks to provide our objectives wethu ukuthi sisezingane then we also assist with some registration processes our institutions. Njengoba sifunda kuma-institutions ahlukene siyakwazi ukuthi ufika kuthina mhlawumbe let's say ufuna ukuregister e-MUT, CPUT noma ikephi, siyakwazi ukuthi sikurejistele khona sikutholele lo muntu ozofikela kuyena akusize. Then we also conduct ama-school visits nama-community tours ukupromote i-academic excellence. Akubona umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe let's say sine-program e-PUT akwazi ukuthi ayofika khona la somsiza khona. So siyakwazi ukuhambela iy'kole, akhona ama-program esisazoba nawo ey'koleni nje. Azi ukuthi iyiphi institution ezovakashela but I think sisazofika nangala. So siyakwazi noku-organize ama-annual tours for grade 12 to experience i-university environment. For instance, if othisha benu mhlawumbe bayalithatha banyuse e-DUT, thina siyakwazi ukuthi sikhulume ne-DUT ukuthi kuzofika isikole esiwukuthi ne-date ethile, bacela ukuzo-check-a ama-facilities wabo ukuthi i-environment yasevasithi kanjani. We also help ekwenzeni lokho. Then ngizodedela ozakwethu lana ozokhuluma about ama-universities wonke ala South Africa nama-APS4 wakhona nama-faculties.
Siwe mina but before starting to apply, I mean, to make it take forward in every way. Nakulikazi laba bafuna lamacourse kuthiwa medicine kanjani, ithi uma research waka youth development kuyavana nokuthi. So bazothatha ngodumo using ama-results ye-term 4. Ime kanjani ndaba yakho nayo? So maniphuma la ngicela nifike iy'ngane esikoleni ukuthi hayi kwanilungiseni ngoba u-grade 11 wena baleke ukudlula lawa ka-matric impela. Awaleke ngempela 4. You will need a minimum of 34 points. University of Pretoria, you need minimum of 28 points. Okay, I guess you're like you can attend any time, no man can get enough. That's as soon as you are going to see. You will need a minimum of 28 points more from the UK, so that guys. It's not that bad, Still have a chance. And then Rhodes University, 45 points minimum. They want to see us that. And then we have University of Western Cape, is of Dingoben at 27 points minimum. And then Northwestern University is of Dingoben a minimum of 24 points. And then we have University of Fort Hare. Dingoben 25 points minimum. And then this is all my universities, like UJ. AUJ, complicated. But you need 23 points minimum. 23 points minimum. 23. Then we have NMU, Nelson Mandela Uni. You'll need minimum of 26. UNISA. Well, I hope since we go to most days in the UNISA since you are online. And the minimum you need 18 points. You still have options. 18 points minimum. And then you will have Zulu. Oh boy, you will need a minimum of 25 points. Now, guys, you need Zulu now, along with the DUT, MUT, but from apply through CO. I was apply on it directly. You have Walter Sisulu University, doing an economy a minimum of 18 points. University of Venda, you'll need a minimum of 30 points for a BA or Bachelor of Arts Engine. Nozokufaka University. Yes. So nalo kene university bafana ngeni so ngakisa yonke indawo la uthanda khona. With NSC wakho ngayakude bafethu. It's good ukuthi niwuthole ne. Now any into zoba inkinga with the application ukuthi ungawameet ama minimum requirement uziwadlule. But then masubheka uvela uthola uso reject. Inamba yabantu abafuna ukuya kuma high institution guys very high. It's very very high. You'll find ukuthi mhlambe like a vet they will have spaces in mhlambe for 10,000 wingane. But some applications abangawa receive will be more than 600,000. So if you go to phone and about notice, it's either you know it's your only choice. You have to very pass well. Who pass your fit. So again, call me ndaba no grade level when no last day ngoba nina ngiyabona ngathi ngiyakhala. Sekuphelile wakho. No.
Jam ko wala ucabanga nani
abadinga khambutshela ama-application status aseberede uku-aplya bengaya lapha etafuleni nalapha kayi-development if ukhona ongakuzwanga kahle noma udinga ukucaciseleka kukho cela uye laphana and then we'll make it 35 minutes to 40 minutes bracket bese siyabuya senzela ama-item awu-2 asele and then emva lokho bese siyagoduka. So during the break le ngiyazi ukuthi kade sihleli cela singahamba uzothi uyahamba bese uqeda lokho okubalulekile ngempela. So ngicela-ke ukulivulele lelo thuba lelo badinga i-bathroom, toilet kodwa ngicela sonke sidlule lapha emnyango sibambe wokuphuza. Ngiyabonga.
Sanibonani guys, igama lami ngu-Amanda Ngakamabanga and I'm coming from
Sanibonani, igama lami nguThando Wakafuthi. I'm coming from Assembly Silver City, also a student DMT.
ukhanyile igama nesibongo umjikamagama kugcona itino simendo wabona inkulumo ezakhaya siwe-DOT nami kodwa simele i-Assam Silver City. Isisiza with ama-application for ama-TVET, ama-college as well as ama-funding namjamabhasana. Awukhona ofisa ukusiza ngako, we also assist during registrations khona asithinda noma inini. Feel free.
Njengoba besishilo kwethu siyasiza ama-applications, sisiza mahhala ngazawethu. Sikhumbule ukuthi kunama-application opening dates nama-closing dates. Make sure you don't miss ama-closing dates because uzokhala ekugcineni, and also make sure you get your documents ready so that sizokwazi ukuthi sisebenzisane. Inamba esitholakala kuyona ungangibhalela 063 101 5754 ilasitholakala khona. And also sikhumbule kuma-programs waka-health science by 3rd June ayavala. If you apply for health, you can apply in.